Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram messages not showing. To solve this problem we will follow two methods. So first of all, open your Instagram profile and tap on the three line icon at the upper right hand corner and tap on settings, tap on account, scroll down and tap on switch account type, tap on switch to business account, tap on switch. So you have to create a professional account here, and after that your problem will fix. And the second method is open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management. Now tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, and then tap on uninstall. You have to uninstall Instagram app from your device, and then you have to reinstall Instagram from Google Play Store. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.